This is big breaking news that is coming in. There's been now a consensus in the Business Advisory Council to end Parliament next week itself. The Speaker, of course, will take a final call. So the Farmers' Bill will be coming up in the Rajya Sabha tomorrow. That will be passed. But after that, we are being told that the houses will not function beyond that because of COVID worries in the House, both in the Rajya Sabha and in the Lok Sabha. Let me go straight across to Pallavi Ghosh, who is joining us on the phone line. Pallavi, there have been worries that have been raised as far as the spread of COVID is concerned, even in Parliament. I mean, you have members who have tested negative, 2 days later tested positive as well.
That's right, and a large number of parliamentary staff also. See, much as you may want to cut down on staff, Shreya, it's very difficult to work with a completely skeletal staff in Parliament. And therefore, it was being seen as a health hazard. But, you know, most political parties have also given this feedback that there is important legislative business which needs to be completed, important discussions on GST, the economy, all of them will have to be done. And it's only after that we can think of actually shutting down on Parliament. The message which goes out is that work comes first and then these kind of, concerns. So I think that message the Parliament would certainly want to send, but it was becoming extremely untenable that you carry on with a Parliament session for the next 18 days.
And we are already hearing from Derek O'Brien, who has tweeted, first this government calls an 18-day Parliament session. After 6 days, have they realized it's a harebrained idea? Now want opposition to find them a solution. Was it opposition parties who are asking for Parliament to, be called off, given the rising number of cases, not just as far as members are concerned, but as you're pointing out, even the number of staff who were testing positive?
Shreya, there are many political parties, the most notable of them being the Trinamool Congress and some within the Congress party also, who are insisting on the fact that, you should have virtual meetings. This parliamentary committee meeting should be virtual. Similarly, the parliament session itself could be virtual. This physical coming in of MPs from outside of Delhi attending Parliament, even with a limited staff, the ministers being present over there, would actually be a huge health hazard. And I think that's the point which Derek O'Brien is trying to make, that now the entire perception which is being sent out by the government is that it's the opposition which is moving for a curtailment. Whereas we have been warning the government goes in for an 18-day session, then they're forced to curtail because of the rising COVID cases.
All right, Pallavi, we'll leave it there for the moment. Thank you very much. A final decision with the Speaker now. We'll possibly know what happens next